Welcome to another edition of AUVSI's Weekend Roundup, where we point out some stories from the week that you might have missed. I'm going to kick off with some big news. The FAA announced some new rules for hobbyist drone operators. They're a little complicated, but basically they would require operators to pass a test showing their knowledge of airspace, and also to rely on the LANCE system when that becomes available later this year. So rather than go into all of that, I will just point you to the links which are below, along with all the others, and you can take a look. And Brian, what have you got?
Okay, so one of the functions of self-driving vehicles, as we all know, will be making package deliveries, but in instances there will be times where people can't get to the car to physically retrieve the package. So as a result, Ford has partnered with a company called Agility Robotics, which has created and built a robot called Digit, which can be deployed from the car and make the delivery from the car to a customer's front door. So Digit can carry packages weighing up to 40 pounds. It can also go up and down stairs, and it can walk naturally through uneven terrain.
So it comes up, rings the doorbell, you got a package.
Yep.
And some other aerial news, DJI has announced that starting January 1st, all of its larger aircraft drones are going to have ADS-B, which is a system that allows them to know where aircraft are in the sky, so manned aircraft. So that would help them avoid airplanes and, more importantly, even helicopters, because helicopters especially tend to fly low where drones also want to fly. So that will again be in their larger systems, ones that weigh more than a little bit over half a pound.
Oakland University has been selected to host an accessible autonomous shuttle on its campus. The shuttle will be provided by EasyMile, and it will be operated by students from Oakland University's School of Engineering and Computer Science as part of a STEM education program.
Sounds pretty cool. Back to the package delivery idea, DHL Express and EHang have partnered on drone delivery in urban China. So their first customer is flying a route that's about 8 kilometers long. Previously it would take about 40 minutes to make that trip with the vehicle, ground vehicle. Now with the drone it can take only 8 minutes.
Sounds good. The last item for me is in East Valley, Arizona. Waymo is testing its vehicles to be able to travel alongside large animals such as horses. For these tests, the company has got the services of Blitz, which is a retired police horse with a decade worth of experience under pressure. And as part of the training, Waymo's driverless vans have swerved, curved, and cruised past Blitz. Blitz was not hurt in the testing of any of this. It is completely fine.
I bet Blitz did not expect his career to end up that way. Last thing for me, RE2 Robotics has gotten a $3 million contract to develop underwater arms for the Navy. So these robotic arms, they can also go on ground systems, but they're going to develop them for underwater systems to help find and neutralize hidden explosives. So that's what we have. Hope everyone in the U.S. has a great holiday weekend, and we will see you next week.